In this video I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter from this Peugeot 107. So the first step is to take off these 4 clips. Then you have to look from the other side. And you need to release the tension from this hose clamp. You can do it with your hands usually. Just pull this clamp down. Then you've got one more hose clamp on top of the throttle body, and for that the best is to use one of these lockable hose clamp tool, and you can hold the tension. And now I'm gonna be able to pull this air filter housing out. Once I've done that, I'm gonna release the tension from the hose clamp. And on this side we've got the filter. So the air will enter through this pipe here. It will go down this way into this small chamber here. Then it's gonna be filtered, and that's gonna make our filter very dirty. As you can see on the other side, it's more clean. Now in this situation, when you have the filter black like this, it indicates that you've got small dust particles mixed with water, and therefore you cannot just clean the filter, install it back, because if you want to properly clean the filter, you have to destroy it, so you need to replace this. However, if you see that the filter is clean here and it has the same color like it looks here on the other side, then if you find, for example, leaves here and dirt, it's a good idea to just clean it and reinstall it back. Also, don't forget about cleaning this air filter housing here. Okay, now it looks better without any dust. This is the part number of the filter if you need it. Now let's install it back. Okay, just press it very well. And let's secure this one as well. And here we go, the engine air filter is changed. Alright, so thanks for watching and have a nice day.